Hello and welcome to the fourth clue of the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge. By now, you should have collected 3 of the puzzle pieces. Your next piece is I-N-G. Keep an eye out for the remaining pieces as you continue on the scavenger hunt. Please note you are now in a French language classroom. At Allendale School, we offer 3 second language options: beginner German, beginner French, and German bilingual. I recommend you take German. It is way cool. Here is your next clue. I am the place where we learn to sing, where we harmonize and we rhythmize and we ring. Find me among the instruments and the microphones, in the room with the music and the sound and the drones. Remember, teamwork is key. Work together with your teammates to solve the clues, find your way to each location, and put together the final puzzle. Good luck, and have fun! See you at the next location.